Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another awesome video, guys. And if you're new to our channel, please press that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And tell us that you're here down below. Alright, guys. So in this video, you know what we want to do in the video? We are going to decorate our Christmas tree. I'm going to talk about unbox our Christmas tree. And we bought this out here. This is not our first. This is not the Christmas tree that we wanted, first choice. Yeah. This is actually the second choice because the one that we wanted when we went back for it. Yeah, it's okay. So we end up waiting a little bit. They got worse stuff similar to the one that we wanted, but this one is good enough. Anyway, yeah. So we're going to unbox this, just decorate it and pick up the Christmas tree. Yes.
Yeah, guys, so stay tuned for the decoration. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, this is the Christmas tree.
Yeah, look how it looks. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, I guess this is the top one.
I love how it looks.
We got the stand right here. Right, the stand. And this part here is the middle part.
And then we'll see the end.
And this is the base. So guys, we're going to set up the Christmas tree. Understand? So first of all, we're gonna
DJ.
love the Christmas tree.
Yeah, guys, I love it. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I love the Christmas tree, guys. So my heart broke when the first one sold out, and then we went back.
Because the one that we wanted, guys, was the snowflake on it.
Yeah, it has the snowflake on it. It's like the same, but it was like a snowflake effect on it, and I love that. But this one close to it. So when we went back on site, I'm like, what? Is it just a sister for the tree? Yeah. So then gone with the brother, we took the sister.
Yeah, so the reason why we actually chose this type of tree is that it's perfect.
Yeah, I love the color. The one that we had, guys, I could see the material when they use on make it. I could have seen the iron, or they make the iron, I could have seen everything. I could have seen the glue, I could have seen all them wrap it, and shine them stick it. No, I don't want that. I want something that's fluffy.
Yeah, guys, so we're ordering the Christmas light right now and the decorations.
Which one are you using? Guys, these Christmas lights was probably 2 years now, 1 year now.
1 year now.
But we have a lot of Christmas lights, there's some new one.
Yeah.
Which color is this one?
Cute.
Yeah. And we have this, and this is 200 lights, and you have more of them. Brand new. So, let's see. Oh, no. That's 200.
Yeah, guys, so this is like 200 light bulbs.
Yeah, 200 light bulbs. You have on the pink, which I love because this is basically the theme.
Mommy, wait until night comes when it's
No, this all of mine.
It's gonna look so pretty. Like, oh my god, look so cute.
That's in the morning, in the night.
I know, baby, but it still looks cute. Like, it is cute and cute, especially the tree is so cute in it. And oh my god, the tree looks so demure. It's cute and cute. Guys, let me tell you something because I'm not your kid mention it. But to show you guys that we love you, we literally was on the road and like we hurry up and get home so we can do this video for you guys. And we will have a lot of videos. We are trying our best to push our content so you guys can get it. Just to see, just as I said, 5 minutes after a live won't, just so you guys can see what we've been up to somewhat. But well, exciting for us, but I don't know if it's exciting to you guys. But we're just showing you us. Things that we do. Or things that make us happy.
Yeah.
But this is so cute.
No, we're doing night come down.
Oh, so then I'm a sucker for Christmas.
The best thing is about Christmas.
You
is
see,
the
I did not
present.
regret my tree. I don't regret the tree.
The best thing about Christmas.
guys, so the camera died, so we didn't get to fully, end off the vlog. So we would like to thank you guys for watching. I hope you like the Christmas tree. We did our best with it. Yeah, we like it, so we hope that you guys like it. Please remember to leave a thumbs up and comment down below, guys, and thank you for always tuning in. See y'all. Bye.